Describe a time when you had to make a difficult decision as a manager or supervisor. Hello and welcome to today's video on how to answer the job interview question. Can you describe a time when you had to make a difficult decision as a manager or supervisor? This question is designed to assess your decision-making skills and ability to handle tough situations as a leader. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips on how to answer this question effectively, along with a sample answer to help you prepare for your next job interview. Provide context. Start your answer by providing context about the situation you were in, such as the company, team, and project you were working on. This will help the interviewer understand the scope of the decision you had to make. Describe the decision. Clearly describe the difficult decision you had to make, being specific about the options you were considering and the factors you had to take into account. Explain your decision-making process. Describe your decision-making process, including any research or analysis you conducted, how you evaluated the options available, and any advice you sought from colleagues or mentors. Discuss the outcome. Share the outcome of the decision you made and how it impacted the team or project. If the outcome was positive, discuss how it benefited the company and team. If the outcome was negative, discuss what you learned from the experience and how you used it to improve your decision-making skills. Reflect on what you learned. Reflect on what you learned from the experience, such as how you grew as a manager or supervisor, and how you would approach a similar situation differently in the future. Sample answer. I was working as a project manager for a software development team and we were behind schedule on an important project. We had two options, either cut corners and deliver the project on time, or delay the delivery date and risk losing the client. After weighing the pros and cons of both options, I decided to delay the delivery date and communicate the situation with the client. I knew that this decision would impact the team's morale and put pressure on me to deliver the project as soon as possible. To make this decision, I consulted with my colleagues and mentors, conducted research on the potential consequences of each option, and evaluated the impact on the client, the team, and the company. Ultimately, the decision to delay the delivery date was the right one, as it allowed us to deliver a high-quality product that met the client's expectations. Although it was a difficult decision to make, it taught me the importance of transparency in communication with clients, and how to balance short-term versus long-term goals. I learned that sometimes making the tough decisions as a manager or supervisor is necessary for the success of the project and the team. In conclusion, when answering the job interview question, can you describe a time when you had to make a difficult decision as a manager or supervisor? Remember to provide context, describe the decision, explain your decision-making process, discuss the outcome, and reflect on what you learned. With these tips and a well-prepared answer, you can impress your interviewer and demonstrate your leadership skills. Thanks for watching.